Hi, I'm Dr. Sujay B R. I'm a senior consultant, general and laparoscopic surgeon and a laser proctologist practicing in South Bangalore from the past 10 to 13 years. So I graduated from Mysore Medical College in the year 2004 and I did my masters in general surgery from KIMS Hubli in 2010. I finished and I underwent laparoscopic training in Coimbatore as well as in Chennai, and also I underwent endoscopic training also in Coimbatore. So I'm into basically laparoscopic surgeries and laser surgeries as well as other general surgeries. So what are my interests? My specialty and my interest is basically doing laser surgery for bottom cases like piles, fissure, fistula, as well as pilonidal sinus, and also for the varicose veins. And I do laparoscopic surgeries for gallbladder problems, hernia problems, appendicitis, perforations, many other problems in the abdomen, as well as I do thyroid surgeries, breast surgeries for breast lump removal for any kind of fibroadenoma or any cancer, and I also take care of diabetic patients who come with a foot infection, cellulitis, abscess, and I also undertake minor procedures. You can consult me at Nano Hospitals in the evening hours by taking a prior appointment. Thank you.